Gang. Look, top of the morning, man. Welcome back to Mess Free Podcast, gang. Everybody hit that subscribe button and that like button right now while I get y'all an introduction popping off. Big dogs.
Man, you bitch niggas better ante up or elevate. I need 6 figure money, won't hella bucks and hella cake. Fuck boy, I been on dummy, shooting hella ops, make them a day. If not him, then kill his mama, make him feel his wrath in the hella way. Hydro shock bullets out into his chest, watch as they swim away. I don't stop shooting till you down in your last breath and then I skid away. This a hollow tip.
Gang, welcome back, man. How y'all feeling, man? Top of the morning to the kings and queens out there. I am the host, Karnage Slaughter. Thank y'all for coming back. Thank you for the subscribers. Thank you for everybody, all the Slaughter family members out there, man, for joining the channel. That's what's up, man. You know, because positivity is everything, right? Most definitely positivity is everything. So it takes for somebody to be out there doing it right. So look, let me tell you, man, make the best decisions and learn how to make money the legal way, though. Learn how to make your money the legal way. Too many people out there, they too into making money the non-legal way, you know, and it's a better way to make it. It's a total better way to make it. It's a total better way to get it. But it's all about if you're making the right decisions or not. You see, so many of y'all don't make the right decisions. Y'all, you know, have the wrong choices. You know what I'm saying? Do wrong shit. Don't know where to go. Don't know where to lean to. Who to call on. Leave you in the zone. It leave you in the zone where, you know, you sort of fucked and you caught between a rock and a hard spot. But if you make the right decisions, gang, you will land something so cold. You'll land something so great, gang. I done seen a person change their whole life around, made the right decisions, gang. I'm talking about they became CEO of a company right away. You know what I'm saying? They was entrepreneur and they learned how to open up businesses for themselves and get straight to the bag, you know, and that ain't nothing wrong with that. Definitely if you learn how to make the money the legal way, you know, definitely if you do it that way. Gang, look, there's so many legitimate ways to make money. I'm talking about so many legitimate ways. Y'all cats ain't got to be out there selling dope no more. You ain't got to be out there selling drugs no more. You ain't got to be on the corner selling nothing. You ain't got to sell your body, females. Y'all women ain't got to be out there selling pussy. None of that. It's a better way to make money. Yeah, it's a better way to make money. And it's a better day for you today, any day. Yesterday was too, but your ass was playing with it. You know what I'm saying? You let yesterday pass up. You know, you never put something on for today that you could have done yesterday. Today ain't promise. It wasn't. Tomorrow ain't promise either. But ladies, you ain't got to sell no pussy. You ain't got to go out there and be no little slut, no whore. My guys, you ain't got to go sell your ass out there selling your diggling. You ain't got to do that. It's a better and legitimate way to make money. It's all about if you're going to use your brain to do that. You could pick up a skill, a trade. Literally, you could literally pick up a skill or a trade and get to it and get to the bag. Flip that. You know what I'm saying? You can get in real estate, flip that. You know, it's something out there that everybody could be doing, but we already know how lazy people is out here, man. We got some lazy people, gang. I can't lie to you. You know what I'm saying? You know something like I know something, whether you're a man or a female. But it's a way that you can get the bag and be happy as hell doing what you want to do. You know what I'm saying? Excited doing what you want to do, being yourself. You know what I'm saying? But it's all about you. It's all about if you gonna get there. A lot of people don't want to get there. You know, I told y'all I'm gonna start doing interviews too, gang. I'm gonna start doing the interviews real shortly. Trust me. I think my podcast, I'm turning my shit into an interview station, gang. I'm interviewing everything around the world. Watch. You feel me? I'm going to just start doing it. Just walking up on people, interviewing them about regular life. You know what I'm saying? About real life things, about real life situations, about, you know, if they was in this shoe, if they was in that shoe. You know what I'm saying? And we know half of the world going to say some illegal shit. But we also know it's another half of the world that's going to say some legal things. They're going to give you some good advice. They're going to give you some good motivation. You know what I'm saying? There's going to be some cats out here that you see that make a lot of excuses. But then again, you're going to see some people out here who don't make no excuses and they don't play at all and they get straight to it. You know what I'm talking about? You're going to see some judgmental people too, gang. We always see that. But at the end of the day, you know, making the best decision, that's easy. That should be easy. Everybody should be able to make the best decisions. We know it's a lot of people out here who having a hard time, gang. They ain't got no motivation. They ain't got no motivational speakers in their life. They ain't got nobody to give them no great advice in their life. And we know it's hard. I definitely know it's hard. But at the end of the day, I'm telling you, you is that person, and it's not meant for you to give up yet. It's meant for you to get out here and make your money, but make it the legal way. It's meant for you to, you know, stay on top of your game at all times, black brother, black sister. That's what it's for. You know what I'm saying? And a lot of times, you know, y'all get sidetracked with little shit out here with the people out here. That's why you got to move people around out your life. You know what I'm saying? You got to stop dealing with everybody. Everybody ain't meant for you. I mean, if you in a relationship and you got a significant other, everybody ain't meant to be in your business. Everybody ain't meant for that, gang. You know what I'm talking about? And people do too much, so you already know how far you got to keep motherfuckers away from your business. And guarantee you can go out there and make you some. My thing is, I would want y'all to be an entrepreneur and build something for yourself, empire or something. You know what I'm saying? Tie up the loose ends and give yourself something big to look forward to, major. You know, don't just go out there and work no regular 8-hour job, gang. Everybody got ownership in them. Everybody got CEO in them. You know what I'm saying? Everybody got top dog in them. So bring it out. That's what we got to do. Bring it out. Bring it to the forefront. What y'all think this is, you know? Life ain't life without us. So we got to live it. We got to learn to live it the best way, you know, make it all worthwhile, you know, simple as that. But make the best decisions in life, gang, and learn to make money the legal way. You know, simple as that, man. I love y'all. Y'all make sure y'all stay safe. Everybody hit that subscribe button. You know what I'm saying? Everybody hit that like button. Definitely, and tap in, man. Hit that share button and notification bell. I'm gone. Gang. What's up, man? This your boy, Karnage Slaughter, man. Welcome back to the Street University. I'd like to thank all y'all who came out, you know, gave me a little bit of your time by coming to my channel. Both channels watching the video. I really appreciate y'all, man. And those of y'all that did not hit the subscribe button as you step in, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Those of y'all that did not hit that like button as you step in or step out, you feel me? Make sure you hit that like button on the way out. Make sure my views match my likes, gang, so y'all can keep me in the algorithm and keep me moving and grooving, you feel me? How y'all have been doing, man. I appreciate y'all. Y'all already know I love y'all. Without y'all, it wouldn't be me. So, man, I'm out.